Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Out of the Box with Mytee Products. My name is Austin, and today we're going to be covering the new Carpet Shark CRB. This thing is the meanest counter-rotating brush on the market. Agitation, encapsulation, you name it, it does it. So get ready because we're about to dive in. So you can see I've got just the head here. It's all stainless steel construction. This CRB has a 10-inch cleaning path here on the front. You'll also notice that the construction is quite a bit boxier than your average CRB that's more triangle shaped. This is going to be for two reasons. First one being that it provides a better contour to the cleaning surface, as well as there's actually two motors in here. Instead of one single gear-based one, we have two belt-driven motors. This is going to provide you a couple advantages. It's going to be more powerful. It's actually going to be silent, quieter when it's running, and it also is going to be more cost efficient to repair. Now that we have it out of the box, let's get the whole thing assembled. Alright guys, so fresh out of the box, you're going to notice that your Carpet Shark comes with several accessories. The first being the pair of renovator trays. These are for collecting soil when you're going over maybe a pre-run through your carpet. The second set is going to be a flat dust guard with a wheel attachment on the back. This is for the traditional use of your CRB, whether you're agitating encapsulation material or doing a first pass. We also have the pre-installed brushes underneath, and they're being protected by this magnetic snap-on tray. This will help protect your brushes, store your Carpet Shark. Once you have your accessories selected, attaching them is fairly simple. Simply find the pegs on the front and they're identical on the back, thread through like so, slide until you hear the snap, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to detach it, just push the button through the middle and take it off. Now, before we get into cleaning, it's probably a good idea to assemble your handle. I already have my first pegs on here. The Carpet Shark does have an adjustable handle height. If I'm including stairs, I can have the handle snap on like this, or add the extra included pegs like so, and I add my handle to the top. This is going to be your full height. We're ready to rock. Alright guys, so now that we have our fully assembled Carpet Shark, I've got it plugged into a grounded 115 volt outlet with the included extension cord. We're ready to go. Once I kick on the foot switch back here, you'll notice how easily it glides across the carpet. I can seriously do this one-handed. Ready to go. That's all there is to it. So that's a wrap for today. If you want some more info, check us out at Mytee.com, or you can connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you'd like to join the conversation, find All Things Mytee on Facebook.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you again next time.